Buenos dias. Buenos dias, mama. Yesterday we flew in the evening from Buenos Aires to San Carlos de Bariloche, which is a ski town in Patagonia. So we're in the Patagonia region of Argentina today, and I'm here for a couple of days before I fly back to the UK. So the place looks like it could be in the Swiss Alps. It's kind of strange. All the buildings look very alpine, but Fernando Freya and Fernando's friend Martin have all gone skiing, and I don't ski, so Mama and I are going exploring in the area. So we got the car, I'm driving through the mountains, and now we just had some breakfast, some medialunas, and now we're gonna have a walk by the lake. This is like the lake district of Argentina, so there's a series of 7 lakes throughout. It's all surrounded by mountains. Very, very pintoresco.
And mucho frío.
Mucho frío. It's first going down to the lakeside, and the mountains surrounding it just look amazing, so picturesque. The cathedral is named after the lake that it sits next to, which is
Lago Nahuel Huapi.
The lake is called Lago del Nahuel
Huapi.
Okay, and this is the cathedral of that.
H es muda.
The H is silent.
No suena. No es muda.
Silent.
Silent, muda. Nahuel Huapi.
Nahuel Huapi. The H.
Silencio.
Silencio. Okay, bueno. Now we're just having a walk down, and then I think we're gonna just jump in the car and then go explore some of the landscapes. So yeah. So we've just come to what looks like the town center, but it looks like a little Swiss town with all the like mountain buildings. It feels like a little bit like Europe. It just doesn't feel like you would get something like this in South America. We just got these chocolate raspberries, frambuesa.
Frambuesa.
Oh, so good. So good. Get them from Rapanui. Bueno. Well, we finished now exploring the city center, mainly eating chocolates. Now we're going back to the car so we can have a drive around the local area, see what we can find. And I'm dodging traffic. We stopped by the side of the road here because the view looks insane, so we're just gonna go and take a quick look, take a few pictures and some shots and see, and then move on. We're just doing a little road trip through the mountains. So it's windy. It's really windy. Hola, mama. driving every like 2 minutes and then there's another place to stop because the landscape is unbelievable. So yeah, we just came to this panoramic viewpoint, which is incredible. All surrounded by mountains. You can see 3 different lakes here. It's amazing. We came to pick up the others from their ski day, and we got choripans while we wait, which is like basically like a hot dog kind of thing, but like a really like proper sausage, which will be delicioso. So we're gonna eat that and wait for the others, and then I think we're going to a brewery this evening once they come down. Picked up the Huns.
Hello.
And we've now come to a brewery, Patagonia Cerveceria. So we're gonna get some cervezas and cervezas con la mates in Patagonia. Tell us what you did today, Han, because I wasn't on the mountain, but you were.
So we went up to, I'm not sure what the mountain's called. I think it's one of the only ski resorts here. I've only ever snowboarded in New Zealand, and this is like, I'm going to say like 3 times the size of the mountain that we usually go to. So it was super cool. The runs are really long. And I actually learned today to turn because I've been snowboarding like for like 4 years without learning to turn.
Can you go here and demonstrate turning?
Yeah.
Right.
You have to imagine it. I can't
do it.
Yo tenía esa y después me...
Salud.
Salud.
Salud, salud.
Salud, salud.
They're toasting without break.
Tengo sed?
Tengo sed. Salud. Cheers.
That's day 1 in Bariloche finished. They had a ski, we had a tour. Cheers.
See you tomorrow.
Ciao. 7:30 in the morning. We're on a sunrise mission, but luckily the sunrise is at like 8, so we don't have to get up at like 4.
We are not in the North Pole.
We came to Puerto Pañuelo. We made it to the spot for the sunrise. So I'm going to take some snaps here, then I'm going to go back to bed. Quite a successful morning, but now it's raining and now my lens is all covered. So we're heading back now for breakfast, and then these guys are gonna go skiing, and then me and Margs are gonna go on a road trip. So see you there.
This concludes Andrew's trip to Argentina because he's going back tonight.
I go to Buenos Aires tonight, and then tomorrow I'm flying to London. So yeah, I haven't been home in 9 months, so I thought I'd come to Argentina on the way. It's completely out of the way. But yeah, we just, I didn't film anything today because it was raining all day until now, where we stopped at Villa de Angostura. That is, a what?
Angostura.
And you're covered. What is it?
Angostura.
Villa de Angostura, which means narrow village. So we just came here because it's on the way back to the Airbnb. So actually we weren't meant to hang out today at all.
No.
We ended up having a day together because, yeah, so basically there was rain this morning, there was wind this morning, so the whole mountain got shut. So everybody couldn't go to the mountain to go skiing. So they had to join us, me and Margs, on our road trip in the rain.
In the rain.
So, but it stopped raining now and this place is really beautiful. Picturesco, as you can see behind me.
A few drone shots.
Few drone shots.
Cue to the drone shots.
Cute drone shots here. The videos here might have been felt a bit like jumpy because we haven't really, like, it wasn't really planned what we were going to do, I guess. We just kind of, Fernando showed us around Buenos Aires, and then in Bariloche we've kind of just like wandered around.
We're gonna go right to the Airbnb, probably have some hot chocolate and watch some movies and chill.
Yeah.
Go to the airport.
Yes.
We have a few more days here, so bye then.
Okay, bye. Love you and leave you, and see you on the next video.
Bye, Han.
Bye, Margs.
Bye.
Thank you for watching another video.
So guys, I'm gonna love you and leave you and see you on the next video.
Just leave it at that. She's got it.